A butterfly looks peaceful, fragile, almost magical. But hidden inside those colorful wings is one of the most disturbing transformations in nature. Because a butterfly doesn't simply grow up, it destroys itself and becomes something entirely new. Imagine if one day your body dissolved into liquid and rebuilt itself from scratch. That sounds like science fiction, but that's real life for a butterfly. Every butterfly begins as something completely different, a tiny caterpillar, and its first mission in life is simple: eat constantly. Some caterpillars eat so much they grow more than 100 times their original size in just weeks. They shed their skin again and again, becoming larger each time. But then something strange happens. One day, the caterpillar stops eating, stops moving, and hangs upside down, like it already knows its old life is about to end. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar begins to dissolve, not metamorphically, literally. Most of its body breaks down into a kind of biological soup: muscles, organs, even parts of the brain gone. And from that liquid mess, special hidden cells begin rebuilding an entirely new creature. Wings form, compound eyes appear, long legs unfold. A butterfly is being built from the remains of a caterpillar. But here's the part scientists still find incredible. Some studies suggest butterflies may remember things they learned as caterpillars, even after melting apart. Imagine forgetting your entire body, but somehow keeping fragments of your memories. It's almost like two different creatures sharing one life. Butterflies don't see the world the way humans do. Many species can see ultraviolet light. Flowers that look plain to us become glowing landing strips to them. To a butterfly, nature may look like a neon alien world. And those colorful wings? They aren't just beautiful, they are survival tools. Some butterflies use fake eye patterns to scare predators. Others disguise themselves as dead leaves. And a few species are actually toxic, warning birds not to eat them. In nature, beauty can be a weapon. But despite their beauty, butterflies are disappearing. Habitat destruction, pesticides, climate change, many species around the world are rapidly declining, and that matters more than most people realize because butterflies are pollinators. They help ecosystems survive. When butterflies disappear, nature starts losing balance silently. A butterfly lives only weeks, sometimes days. Yet, in that tiny lifespan, it experiences one of the greatest transformations on earth. From crawling to flying, from dissolving to rebirth. Maybe that's why people have always seen butterflies as symbols of change. Because nature created living proof that something can completely fall apart and still become beautiful. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Vyapti Curious Minds for more cinematic science and nature videos. And tell me in the comments, what creature should we explore next? See you all in the next video.